structure of H2O water, right? So at first we have to find out the valence electron for water. Water has 8 valence electron totally. So look, hydrogen is an element of group 1A, that is why it has 1 valence electron, but here we have 2 hydrogens, so you have to multiply by 2. Oxygen is an element of group 6A, that is why it has 6 valence electron. If you add, then you are getting 8 valence electron. This 8 valence electron has 2 tasks at the same time. The first task is to connect these 3 atoms together, right? Here oxygen is the central atom and hydrogen is the outer atom. Hydrogen is always considered as an outer atom. Here oxygen is the central atom. You can say that it has the highest capacity of making more bonds than hydrogen. So to connect, we have to put a single bond or 2 dots. So for connecting these 3 atoms, we have used 4 valence electron. So we have 4 valence electron left. This 4 valence electron will be used to satisfy the octet for oxygen. Already hydrogen has achieved its duet. So let us put these 2. So now this oxygen has 8 valence electron, right? We can express this bond pair as dash. So here we have 2 bond pairs, so 2 dash, right? Now we have to place the lone pair. So this is the Lewis dot structure of water. This or this, you can write this or this, right? So thank you for viewing this video. Be well.